You've probably seen those ads for the Chime Credit Builder card. Sounds great, right? Build credit, get a card, maybe even improve your financial life. But here's the burning question: can you actually use this card without dropping a dime? Like, literally, no money out of pocket? That's what we're diving into today. Let's back up a bit. What is a credit builder card, anyway? It's basically a training wheel for credit. You put down a security deposit, and the card issuer gives you a credit limit based on that deposit. Sounds simple enough, but there's a catch, or at least, there used to be. The Chime factor. Enter Chime. They've shaken up the credit builder game a bit. With their credit builder card, they're promising to help you build credit without needing that initial security deposit. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's break it down. How does it work? To qualify for the Chime Credit Builder card, you need to have a Chime checking account with a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. This is where it gets a bit tricky. A qualifying direct deposit means money coming in from your employer, not just transferring money from one account to another. So, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, this might be a hurdle. Once you meet that requirement, you can apply for the card. If approved, you'll get a virtual card instantly and a physical card in the mail. And here's the kicker: you start with a $0 credit limit. That means you can't use it for purchases right away. Building credit without spending. So, how do you actually build credit with a $0 limit? It's all about responsible use. Every month, Chime reports your account activity to the credit bureaus. So, as long as you don't overspend or miss payments, which is impossible with a $0 limit, you're building a positive credit history. The fine print. Now, let's talk about some potential downsides. While you don't need a security deposit up front, you still need that consistent income to qualify for the card. And remember, building credit takes time. You won't see a dramatic improvement overnight. Alternatives and considerations. If you don't meet the direct deposit requirement, don't despair. There are other ways to build credit. Secured credit cards from traditional banks often require a security deposit, but they can still be a good option. You could also consider credit building loans or becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. Final thoughts. The Chime Credit Builder card is a unique offering in the credit building world. If you meet the qualifications, it's definitely worth considering. But it's not a magic wand. Responsible financial habits are still key to improving your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.